In today's video, we're opening up our mystery mail package. We got a mystery item in the mail, and we are so excited to open it and find out what's inside. Okay, so it's really hard to open because there's tape. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And we have no idea what's inside. Oh boy. It seems like it's like wrapped like multiple times. Oh my goodness. It's wrapped really tight. I might have to like rip it a little bit. Oh, not too much. Okay, that's good. And now there's more tape. Hold on. There's more tape. Oh my goodness. No clue what could be inside. Hold on so we don't ruin it. I'll make sure we unwrap it first. Oh my goodness. It's taped. It's taped and wrapped in multiple different ways. Oh my goodness. I think it's Boris the Bat. Oh my goodness, it's Boris the Bat plushie right here, everyone. And let's see here. This is a Gus Fink Studios, Gus Fink production, TM 2007 to 2023. It says wipe clean only. It's got a cool little tush tag on it. It has the most amazing yellow eyes, sort of like a hot purple color ears. It has an awesome, amazing heart. Look at the feet. Aren't they so cool, those feet? Wow. They have different spiders and hearts on each one of the footies and cool bat wings. So this is Boris the Bat, official Gus Fink Studios merch. And this is our mystery plushie that we just got in the mail today. So cool, so amazing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos such as this one. And other than that, have a great, wonderful day. Thanks for watching and checking out Boris the Bat. Oh, yeah.